Okay guys, I thought I won't like any of this because I don't know, I thought they look cheap and I don't like the packaging, but looking at these little ones, they're so cute. I love this packaging, the small one, but still I don't know if I gonna like the big bottles of this. But the minis are super cute, stunning. And yeah, I was surprised that I like them all. I thought I won't like any of this. But yeah, if I gonna buy any of these scents, I think I will buy this one. The rest I won't really buy them, but if I gonna buy any, this white one, it's really nice guys. Yeah, super nice. And then so my top one, and then I think this will be the next one, but I won't buy this because I don't like the packaging. Just this mini is so cute. And then this one is the third one that I like, the scent. And the last one is this. It's nice as well, but it's not the scent that I like, but it's nice. All of them are really nice. These Yara perfumes are affordable, so yeah, it's easy to buy. Like I can just buy this if I really want to, but because I don't like the bottles, I won't buy them, but they're super duper cute. Look at that.